Hello, welcome back to the Half Thumb Homestead. My garage door is acting up again, and this is what it's doing. See that bounce? Let's open it back up. Watch it bounce there. So what it's doing is the roller I changed has a mark on it, a thing sticking out to keep it from going in too far, and we're going to grind that off. And no, this is not how I lost my thumb. When you're taking off this roller, you want to be incredibly careful and make sure you don't have tension on this cable that goes to them springs over there. Because if you have that, when you take this off, it's going to shoot up. You also want to keep tension pulling down on the cable so it doesn't come off that spool. If it comes off that spool, you'll have to rewrap it. So let's get into this. I'm going to start by taking these 3 bolts out. And then I'm going to take a grinder and I'm going to grind off the tabs so it'll slide back and forth. Because the last one didn't have that. See, these don't have that. I'm sure the garage door guy is going to tell you that, oh my gosh, you're going to die if you do this yourself. You're going to lose your face. You're going to cut off your hand. That's not how I lost my thumb. So aside from the comments, that's not true. You just have to be incredibly careful. You can do this. Seven 16ths. You can also watch, see how much tension you have. When you loosen these 3 bolts up, if you have a ton of tension, it'll kick over. You just want to tighten it back up and take the spring tension off. Or if you're that concerned with it, you can call a garage door guy. They'll send somebody out that's had some CVT training and a couple reading signs on what to do and what not to do. Mine's pretty loose. Work it out there like so. And then take the roller out. What I'm going to do to keep tension on the cable so it doesn't come off the spool up there is I'm going to put it back on instead of bolting it. I'm going to hold it in that position. I'm going to go grind off these tabs here so it slides back and forth a little better. So I'll go do that and I'll be back. You don't need to watch that. So I've just taken my grinder and took those tabs off. So it'll slide back and forth in that there, in the bracket. So let's put it back on real quick and make sure it slides nice. Perfect. Now we just got to put it back on. So we stick our roller back in here. Pick up my door. Lock the roller in, drop the door back down. That should hold it nice. There you have it. So you want to make sure before you actuate the garage door, you want to make sure that the cable is still on there correctly, which mine is. So now we'll go plug the garage door back in and run it. It shouldn't bounce. Much better. All fixed. So, comment down below if you hate what I've done or have better ideas, or, you know, obviously if you're a door guy, you're going to tell me I'm doing it wrong, so have at it. I don't mind the comments. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed what you watched here, and let me know if there's anything you would do different. Half them out.